Hello, welcome to the Wisdom English classes for the students of CBSE class 12. Today we are going to discuss about the article writing. So let us start. What is an article writing? An article is a written work published in a print or electronic medium. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, researching results, academic analysis, or debate. As you know, generally it is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. So, what is article writing format? When a student has to attempt a question on article writing, he has to follow the article writing format by CBSE. Here you can see how to write article writing formats in detail. The format of an article consists of the following parts: heading, byline and body. Heading. The heading should be catchy and in not more than 5 to 6 words. You can go as creative as you want with this one, just make sure you do not devote too much time on it in the exam. Byline, it refers to the name of the person writing the article. It is generally given in the question. If not given, then you do not write your personal details. Note, you are not supposed to mention any of your personal details while attempting the answers in the exam. Now, body, it is the main part of your writing piece. It generally consists of 3 to 4 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, it is always prescribed that you begin with a short introduction of the topic, its meaning to be precise, briefly tell what the article is about, giving some quotations or startling facts to arouse the interest of the readers. Paragraph 2 or paragraph 2 and 3. Now this part can be written in either 1 or 2 paragraphs. You are required to do a complete analysis of the subject matter in question. It may include types. In how many forms does the problem exist? You are required to mention the various possible types if it exists. Now current scenario, then you need to explain the current situation, the problems if any, and whether after any corrective actions betterment in the situation has been observed or not. It may include advantages, disadvantages depending upon the topic in question. And now cause and effect relationship. Develop the cause and effect relationship by supporting it with facts or data. You may also write the consequences. Any other relevant and related information are welcome. Paragraph 3 or paragraph 4, the conclusion. It is the concluding paragraph. It is important to conclude what you have started. Never leave an article open-ended. Now it is to be remembered that wherever you elaborate a problem, you always have to mention the steps being taken to improvise the situation and suggest a few solutions as well. Predictions and personal problems may be included. This paragraph needs to be short and precise. Here also you could add some glitter to your art piece with some quotes. Now this is the format: heading, byline, body, paragraph 1, 2 and 3. Now article writing for CBSE class 12. In an examination, nothing is written purposelessly. Clarity of purpose will ensure clarity in the choice of a style and vocabulary. Article writing for CBSE class 12 comes as a very long answer type question carrying a weightage of 10 marks. Two very long answer questions containing internal choice to be answered in 150 to 200 words have to be attempted. The questions will be based on any of the following: article writing, debate writing, speech writing, report writing. The marks, it should be 10 into 2 equal to 20 marks. Talking about marks, article writing comes as a 10 marks questions. The breakup of marks for article writing format CBSE class 12 as per CBSE marking scheme is as follows. Format, it includes heading and writer's name 1 mark, content 4 marks, expression, grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings, coherence and relevance of ideas and style 5 marks. 2.5 and 2.5, a total 10 marks. Now you can be given to write a magazine article or a newspaper article. Format of an article. Format of article writing for CBSE 12. The format of article writing for class 12 by CBSE is the same as we have discussed earlier. As article writing for class 12 carries 10 marks, it is a very important question. In order to write a perfect article, we must be well acquainted with the topic and must possess a wide range of vocabulary, a thorough knowledge of the subject, some research and excellent organizational skills. Here is the ideal format of article and tips to help you write your perfect article. Article writing format sample. Article writing solved questions. Below are a few article writing format examples for you so that you get an idea as to how to attempt CBSE class 12 article writing questions well. Remember, the more you read and practice, the better it is. As per CBSE guidelines, the article should not exceed the prescribed word limit of 100 to 150 to 200 words. Now, the solved example. Question number 1. Grow more trees to reduce pollution. Write an article in 150 to 200 words on the topic given above for your school magazine. Answer: grow more trees to reduce pollution. The heading you should give, and just below the name of the writer, and says Radhika. Trees are poems the earth writes upon the sky. This is the quotation, eye-catching quotation you can also give. Trees and plants are one of the main reasons why mankind came into existence. The importance of planting trees has been emphasized time and again. This is because of the numerous benefits they offer. They make the world a better place to live in. They exhale oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide to maintain the ecological balance in the environment. They also absorb all the harmful gases and give us fresh air to breathe. Trees build a sheet to protect us from the harmful ultraviolet rays. Not only this, they serve as a habitat for birds and various species of animals. This is not it. Trees help in controlling water pollution and preventing soil erosion. The places inhabited by large numbers of trees are quite cooler compared to the concrete jungles that cannot do without air conditioners. Unfortunately, urbanization is leading to clearing of forests and parks despite the numerous benefits they offer. People come here for morning walks, evening strolls, yoga sessions, and laughter therapy. These also serve as a safe place for the kids to play and socialize. The only way left to preserve them and reap these benefits is by growing them at a faster rate. As a Chinese proverb states, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now, so do your bit and make this place more beautiful. Thank you. Now, some assignments I am giving you. Question number 1. Write an article in about 150 to 200 words on child labor. Also give reference to the lesson The Lost Spring. So with the reference of Lost Spring, you can write the article. And question number 2, write an article in about 150 to 200 words on taking care of elderly people, need of the hour. Also give reference to the poem My Mother at 66. Thank you.